Hello, good morning, friends. Today, after 2 years, it's exactly after 27 months, I have to change my bike Pulsar 150's 2019 model OEM battery. So, it was not giving me self start. So, I purchased this same battery. Code is, you can see, Exide 5 4 ampere. Always remember the number which is printed over the battery box. Ampere is always one digit lower in Exide batteries. In most of the batteries, this is Exide Explode series, and it's a current month's battery. You can see it is December 2021. Its price is 1550, but in local shops, Exide dealers, they took it 1250 rupees from me. So today I am going to show you the correct way to install the new battery. So here you can see this is my Pulsar 150. I have placed the battery in the battery section. Now you remember, when you are installing a new battery or charged battery, always connect the positive first, then negative, and when you are opening the battery and taking it out, always open the negative first, then positive. Okay, so you can see this is the negative marking. So I will connect, as it's a new battery, the positive one first, then this negative one. This is the correct way to install a new battery. First connect the positive side, then connect the negative side. So I have installed my new battery in my Pulsar 150. I hope I have clearly guided you that first, while installing a new battery or charged battery, always connect the positive side first, then negative, and when you are opening the battery and taking it out, always disconnect the negative first, then the positive one. So now I am going to start my bike with the self start. You can see with the new battery, my self-starting problem is solved. Bike has started, and the headlight power has also increased, which was not coming with my older battery. Okay, so I will switch on the indicators to give it the load, blow the horn, upper, deeper, everything, and I will switch on my hazard lights also. You can see all 4 indicators are blinking at a time. So whenever you are having problem to start your bike in the morning with self start, check the battery voltage. If it reads in multimeter 12 point something, then you know it's time to change your battery, because bike batteries are 13.4 to 14.4 or 5 or up to 15 volt should be there. So thank you for watching.